Do you miss Dani? Because I do. And that's why I made this. Today I'll be making a cheap copy of Dani's best game, Karlson. But to be honest, this wasn't supposed to happen at the first point, but midway through developing, I noticed, oh shit, this looks like Karlson. To look unique, I added my own mechanic. It's called adrenaline meter. It increases the more you move or do a specific action. So the more you have adrenaline, the more you will be able to perform different attacks. Which attacks, I hear you asking? Attacks by this sort that has the animations that I made. Just look at how clean and amazing this is. Are you proud of me, Unity?
Shut up, you're adopted.
Wait, what? I wasted 12 days, 12 brain cells, and a whole scene in Unity trying to figure out how to make the adrenaline meter system that Gemini helped me to fix because it had so many issues to work with Unity's starter assist, but it didn't work out, so I almost gave up. But I remember the very same person who taught me how to make games. The GOAT, the best, the king, the godfather. I think I need to stop glazing. The first stepping stone of every Unity user, Breakies. I used his first person movement script tutorial, and I now understand why Unity's starter assist is getting so much hate. It's because it simply sucks. It's overcomplicated. Thank you, Breakies, for just existing. But the artist inside of me woke up and said, why don't I try to make my own art this time? It was one of the biggest regrets of my life. Not did only my art suck, it also didn't work with Unity for some reason. And because of that, I stick with Unity's normal UI. Then I made an enemy, dash, block, fix some more bugs, optimized the whole movement system, and I added my favorite thing ever. It's to pixelate my 3D games. But you're now asking, why didn't I do that with Vision Spectrum? Because the colored lens will make people blind without any extra help. So adding any pixelation will make you go blind even faster. But now it's time for the environment. I wanted to be in an office where you find, I'm sorry for this bad word, employed people. And the final boss will be, I'm sorry again for the bad language, but we will fight. The final boss will be a job application. But this idea got scrapped because I was too lazy to search for good what is a models. So I changed it to be like Karlson, but black. Hey, I see what you're thinking of. Shut your racist brain now. And I put some enemies for testing, and I wasted a total of 2 hours playing with satisfying animations, camera movement, and VFX. It's just an amazing feelings when things in the game just come together. Like, do you get what I say? Just look at this beauty. We're back after a long session of fighting bugs with Gemini, and I finally present to you the tutorial level of Adrenaline Rush. Yeah, I know, I'm so good, and I know you're now spamming Rockstar Media to hire me so I can help them to finish GTA 6 faster, but I have already rejected them because they are not from my level. By the way, Rockstar, if you have any need for me, my email is right here. None of what are you seeing now would have ever happened without me suffering with physics, particle system, unexplained bugs. See guys, I suffer for you, for your entertainment. So for that, you could minimize this video, for example. Yes, just like that. See that like and subscribe button? Yeah, click it. I'm not asking. If you don't do, you'll find me under your bed tonight. I designed a tutorial level, and in it, I introduced the sword enemy. It's just the normal enemy, but it has a sword. Wow, but it's so useful. It teaches you how to block the hard way. Right now, I can add a first level that will test you if you actually have learned something from the tutorial level. If not, you know the consequences. All what I did was just copy, paste, rotate, repeat. So it wasn't that hard, but after playing the game, after all of this, just it feels amazing. It feels just everything snaps into place. And I finally added nothing else. Oh well, sorry guys, I couldn't add much. I couldn't add much more things. I know the video might come out really short, maybe 5 minutes, but there will be a second vlog. Maybe it's longer, maybe it's shorter, I don't know. So stay tuned. By the way, there is an Easter egg in the game where if you know it, you will know what the next video is about. And I will cut on shorts for a while. So I want you to open the game from the link in the description in itch.io, play it, tell me your opinions and what should I fix and what should I remove. And also tell me your opinions on the new logo and banner, and see you next time.